Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A while back, I made a video about a macro that would change. So these are your CMYK colors you can see. And this is probably the opposite of where you go. I'm a laser engraver, so I don't need colors. I just need blacks and reds and grays. But this would work both ways. So all these objects are different colors, but they're all CMYK colors. Matter of fact, we got an outline on that, so I'm going to take it away. And a viewer or subscriber gave me a pretty good tip. I've never really researched this far. Go to edit and find and replace. Go to replace objects. Normally it comes up like this, and I could find that color and replace it with RGB, but it's a color that I picked. So I did a little more digging into it in color model, and any color or palette, replace it basically with the equivalent of RGB. So these are all CMYK colors. We're going to change them all. Now they are RGB colors, the equivalent of that same color. So, a lot of people don't know that, like, that is a RGB black. And if we make a duplicate and make it a CMYK black, you can see that the CMYK black is not as dark. That's why laser engravers like RG or need RGB. And the same thing with the yellow. If we make this yellow with a CMYK and make this one yellow, they're really close. But this is a little bit lighter. This is a little bit darker. So when we're doing, if somebody sent you a file that is RGB and you need CMYK, I'm pretty sure you can go right here and replace with CMYK and replace all. And now these are CMYK colors, the equivalent, the color of RGB. So if you need RGB or if you need CMYK, you can change all the colors. And I don't care how many colors are in a drawing. So I really appreciate that viewer or subscriber. And thank you for watching.